Boom! What's up, VW Lifers? Today is a good day here in the quarantine. It's been getting stuff done about 24/7 around here. No rest for the weary or wicked, or I don't know, some saying the old people say. Today's gonna be a fun day. Working on Boomer. Always fun when you work on your own bus. Working on Boomer center pin. Boomer has always had an alignment issue, and I'm finally at a point where I think it's time to fix it after owning it for 11 years. Yeah, well, stick around. We're gonna live that VW life, baby. What I like to do is when I'm taking off or putting on the tires, kind of alternate it and kind of like skip one. That way it's never all the pressure off. So hey, this is a crow's foot. And that way it's never too much pressure on one spot. That was really loose. But let me jack this bad boy up and we'll show you what I mean when I say this alignment's jacked up. Scirocco. Alright, let me show you what I'm talking about here. When I say I got an alignment issue, I think it's an alignment issue. That's hopefully a problem because it says brand new link pins. All this stuff here is new. I grease it very frequently, as you can tell. As I get grease on my hand, I just touch it. This is the problem. These grabbers are amazingly good tires. Run them on everything we own, including our rescue van D-White. It shouldn't wear like this. Bald, completely bald here, and a little bit of wear here. This tire, especially my left front, my right front's pretty bad, my left front, it goes like this down the road. All right, here's what we're doing today. This is what we're doing today, pulling this out. Center pin that goes in here, connects steering, back here, all through the steering damper, all that good stuff. But first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in here and clean this. Oh, look, it's the old man.
Hey, I'm getting ready to go live on a Zoom for school, so get busy, boy.
It'd be like that sometimes. I might not be the best Volkswagen mechanic, but I can clean with the best of them, baby. Here we go. Time to start cleaning. I don't know if you can see all that stuff falling off. That's a good one right there. Alright, so here's where we're at. Everything's nice and clean. I mean, whew, I would eat off of that. It's nice and clean. This is the next bolt to come out. The socket don't fit in there. Hey-o, look at that. Horrible way to lose. Oh. That's pretty typical. Yet we find time to work on Volkswagens.
Hey, VW Lifers. Well, Jake's been out here working hard, getting Boomer prepped for the center pin install. Basically, this is what it is. It's these bushings. Then they wear. They're made out of brass. See how they got a little knurled area in there? Not a knurled area, but a carved area for the oil to flow through the grease and whatnot. So that's what wears out on your bus. So we'll have to get these where they slide onto that. This is a good old made in Germany kit. There's yours for the repair kit for the steering arms, what they call it. And so we're gonna go ahead and hopefully get ourselves going on a Boomer center pin today. So big doings here at TJK HQ today. Stick with us.
So this tool, the reamer, as it is one of Matt Jackson's personal collections. And these are all the people who have used this tool before. Helga in 2017, the old man, and Jerry, Mitch. I think there's actually a video to that somewhere. Myself in 2018. Well, technically I wasn't here for that. I was in school. But and then all the way down to, I think this thing has been in Florida even. It's kind of, we're talking about the brotherhood of Volkswagen. And this tool has been around and helped a lot of split bus owners.
See, it's hitting that shift rod now, so it's not going to go up any further.
Now go. So if this has play in it,
yes,
I guess this whole thing has play in it, which would make my tire wear more.
It could, yeah, very well. Hand me that. Okay. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Ta-da. Alright. Now.
You gotta get that whacker, knock those up and out.
Yep.
The plan is now to whack, and then clean. So after time, oh look, you can kind of see it sitting there. But I knocked this up, and it's gonna be about 1.7 millimeters above that. And then just gotta beat it up in there, and then put the other one in there, and we're gonna be golden.
You don't want it to go all the way to the. You want to get it flush at the top.
Yeah, I mean I can see it in the hole of the
Yeah,
greaser,
but
so I know I just passed that.
Yep, just keep going.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to use calipers to measure this. We're going to get a pre-measurement of the distance here, and that is 88 millimeters. Now we've driven the top bushing in. We're going to get a measurement on it, and that bushing is 90, a little under 90. It's supposed to be 1.7. We're right under at 1.7.
What's the next step?
Put this bushing in.
The best bushing, we just level it off, right?
Yeah. So see, you got to make sure you do these the right way.
What's the right way?
Because you want the U on this facing the front of the bus. See that U in there, that groove? That's your grease groove.
Yeah.
So you did the top one, you did it like this, okay?
And this one do the opposite.
And this one does opposite.
Nice and flush. Would it help to lube it with WD-40?
I think it just goes, it's just brass. See, it's not being straight.
You want me to hold it up while you twist?
It seems like it's going pretty good.
That seal needs to get heated up. The old man's got a heat gun, and he's using it on cardboard.
We die, we die.
This isn't really that educational of a how-to. It's more of a how the Texas Junking somehow we manage.
Oh,
Melting it?
yeah, I might get a little hot.
Sir!
Bring it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's melted on the corner.
It's pliable. Oh, who knew that thing would get that hot? I can't even touch it. It's so.
It smells like burning rubber.
Okay, that.
I know the Volkswagen's burning rubber. Gun.
And then that. Like that. And then. Ooh, gotta get this hot.
And back at it with a heat gun. Because the other time worked so well.
Hey, it worked. I didn't know it got that hot, Jack. This is where things get a little hairy.
Lower this a little bit.
Yeah. That needs to go in there now.
Oh, silver paste. Oh, yeah. Should I have wire wheeled that?
Yeah, probably. Hold on. Okay, you gotta get your notch.
It was facing the right way. It was.
It's gotta fit. Where's the notch?
Hold on, I can't see it. Ow, that's my finger. I can't see my notch. Wait, I have to bring it down here.
Supposed to be torqued too.
47 to 52.
47.52. What size is that?
19.
47.
Use this to clamp it on. Where's that grease cert? Buttoning everything up, putting the link pin back on.
Yeah, we got drag link.
Not link pin, sorry, drag link.
Drag link on the steering arm, and then you're working on the tie rods right now. I'm putting on some good silver paste, so next time everything comes off easy, just like it did this time.
Hopefully not for a while.
Yeah, hopefully not for a while. Got to put the steering dampener back on.
Whoops, that would be left loosey. Whoops, that would be just being a dumbass.
Am I blinding you?
Mm-hmm.
Blinded by the light, revved up like a douche. Revved up like a douche.
I think it's deuce.
It's a deuce. I got to drop a deuce. I don't know which way this goes.
There's a deuce. I think this has been on the list since I was in high school.
Congratulations. We need to write down the miles so we can put it on our log too. Hey VW Lifers, remember the 78 Westie we pulled out of the debris or wherever that was? It's pretty bad. Didn't have a back glass in it. That bus is on a back burner right now, but it needs to be sealed up because it's getting rain in it and debris in it, leaves and stuff like that. So we're gonna put a quick back glass in it. We've already put our seal on our glass here, and so we got a little device here. There are tools. That's a pretty good size cord.
What is that tube?
It's just like a piece of brake line tubing, a little bit bigger than normal. And what you do is this is the inside lip. So we use this nice little smooth pick here, and you run this in here like this. Okay, have a little bit extra hanging out. You want it in the center, right? And you're just gonna run this around like this, and you're putting this in so you'll be able to pull that seal out. And we're gonna go really slow on the corners. We don't want to lose our corners. And this little device, you can see it just is running that string through there.
Does this work on all windows?
Pretty much. Yeah, most seals. And it's just gonna go all the way around. I need to put some baby powder on this. It would move a lot easier. It makes it a lot easier. Soapy water, baby powder. So I don't like using silicone spray. I just don't like using silicone. Okay, so here's a kind of a key. You want to kind of double up where you were. So hold your one guy and kind of double over on top of him if you can a little bit. And there you go.
Dude, you got the Scirocco parts car all covered in soap and water.
I don't know. Terrible. Okay, close that hatch down a little bit.
Oops, popped out.
Oh, shit.
Here's your antics.
Oh, that's antics, all right. What's going on? Good too.
Good luck.
Oh my God. There's no room. Okay. Hey, press right here. Press hard.
You going driver's side or passenger?
Going that way. Okay.
What are you doing, Pops?
Well, I'm putting some D-rings on the old trailer because it needs some D-rings. That's the plan, at least.
What a day, what a day, what a day, what an episode. Matt Jackson, we miss you. We miss Matt, the bearded wonder, Tommy B. Smith. We miss you guys. We miss everybody getting here and working on this Harvest Beetle, man. And in this quarantine, man, it's hard. It's hard not being with your buddies. It's hard not being with your friends and working together. Because that's that community that we talk about, that VW life part that we all love so much. We just got to say thank you to y'all for supporting us during this time, for watching. And I know there's not a lot of entertainment out there, so we're glad you're spending your time with us here at VW Life. But thank you all. Please remember to subscribe. If the old man was standing right here, he'd tell you to tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody about VW Life. Thank you all very much. We're going to make it through this.